So, I'm manipulating and rapidly advancing the evolution of common household germs found here in my household. I quickly discover that something has gone horribly wrong. Since I'm human and they're just germs, I decide to end my experiment by completely erasing the germs from existence. I grab a bottle of the leading competitor's brand multi-surface cleaner. This cleaner claims to kill 99.9% of germs. That should do the job. I spray my out-of-control, evolutionarily advanced germs, and the violence ends. Wait. No. The violence has not ended. Oh! It's the 0.1% of surviving germs that picked up arms and have continued the bloodshed. My question is, if spraying the germs kills 99.9% of germs, then does me spraying them a second time completely kill 100% of the germs? Or does it just kill 99.9% of the remaining 0.1% of germs? Does it continue like this forever?